Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to download Surfshark VPN for your MacBook, then this video is for you. So right now if you are using Mac OS operating system, then Surfshark also offer their application version for your MacBook, or that you can directly download to your Mac OS, and you can absolutely use them or operate the VPN without any type of hassle. So for that, you have to go to the surfshark.com. You have to open your Safari on your MacBook, then you have to search for surfshark.com, and you can simply click on get Surfshark button here, and from here to purchase this one from here. You can purchase the premium plan, or you can find the download button from here. You can simply click on download, where you will be able to download their free version from here. So from here, if you scroll a little down, you can find there is lots of version available, that it is available on Windows, is available on Mac OS that we are looking for, and also you can use it on Linux or Android or iOS devices. Also, you can download for Chrome extension. You can use Chrome on your MacBook, and you can use this Surfshark VPN as an extension on your Chrome browser. Also, if you're using Firefox or Edge, they will also allow to download their extension on these browsers. So if you want to directly download this application, so you have to download this Mac OS app. So simply click on it, and it will start downloading this .dmg file, that is the setup file or installation file for Mac OS. So once it downloaded, you have to simply click on it for once, and it will start installing, and it will show you the instruction how you can install the Surfshark for your Mac OS. So follow the instruction and install the app, and you are good to go to use or operate Surfshark on your MacBook. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.